channel Pradeep RD Sharma. Friends, today I am going to give the information of the topic Algebraic expressions part 3 question number 4. In the last video I taught you about the algebraic expressions part 3 question number 3. In this video I am going to solve question number 4. So before talking about the algebraic expression, so friends, please like my videos and share my videos. Let's talk. First, the question is like this: 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 and 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy 4xy. So the question is like this. Now I am going to solve this problem. First, we are going to divide it into the 3 parts because there are 2 commas between the expressions. So we are going to divide it into the 3 parts by the brackets. The first bracket we are going to write is 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. In that bracket we are going to write this. That is 14x plus 10y minus 12xy and minus 13. So this is the first bracket. And now the second bracket, now I am going to put a bracket. If any variable or constant is not having any mathematical operations, it is considered as plus. So plus we are going to put, and the second expression is 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy. So this is the second bracket. Now I am going to write third bracket. Third bracket is 4xy. 4xy. So I have converted it into the brackets, but now I have to write it in a common by removing the brackets and the commas. I should write like this only, but by removing these brackets. So here 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. So your bracket is there, but we should not put a bracket. We are going to continue. Plus 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus. Doubt not app. Get the solution which you want. Click the question and crop the question which you want and get the video solution in 5 seconds. And homeworks will be there: CBSE board, UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, MP and other state boards. And for class 6 to 12, IIT-JEE, mains and advanced NEET. And also the subjects physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. And it's for class 9 to 12th, and also live classes will be there, and also English medium and Hindi medium classes. So trusted by 3 crore plus students. Download now the Doubtnut app. Y plus 8xy and plus 4xy. So this is the expression. Now I am going to convert it into or write it into the like terms. Like terms means the terms which are containing the same variables in the constants is called as like terms. First, if you took any variable like xy, the first variable xy is there, no? The xy containing terms should be first. How many terms? If the 11 xy terms are there, first it should be in order. 1 is here and after y that xy is there, it should be wrong. So we are going to write it in order only. So I am going to take first x variable. So 14x is there and another term containing x variable is 7x. So it is not a 7x minus 7x. So if the mathematical operation containing before any variable or a constants, it is considered, we should write it here. So 14x minus 7x. Next, I am going to take the variable y here. The terms containing y variable, now I am going to write. The terms containing y variable are plus 10, minus 10y. Plus 10y, minus 10y. So, plus 10y. Here plus 10y and here minus 10y is there. So, minus 10y. And the next term is, next variable I am going to take is xy. The terms containing xy are three terms. One is minus 12xy, plus 8xy and plus 4xy. So these are the three variables containing xy variable. So 10y. Now minus 12xy plus 8xy and plus 4xy. So these are the terms containing xy variable. And the another two numbers are left. One is minus 13 and plus 18. So we are going to write it in a common way without any variable because it does not contain any variable. Minus 13 and plus 18. So I have wrote it in a common. Now I am going to convert it into the common factors. Common factors means there are two terms containing x term. So in these two terms 14x and minus 7x, so the common term is x and here also x is there. So x is a common factor and we are going to write x, and by removing the x after by the brackets we are going to write the constants there. Like I am going to take x here and bracket 14 minus 7. So like this way we are going to write. And here I am going to take y variable and the terms containing y are constants plus 10 minus 10. It is also considered as 10 only. Okay. 10 minus 10. So now I am going to take xy variable. Xy. So bracket. If we put a bracket for any variables, it is considered as multiplication. So now y into 10 is y10, 10y. So like this we are going to, for that we are going to put a bracket. Now I am going to take xy. Xy means here minus 12 plus 8 plus 4. So these are the constants containing xy terms. So the next 13 minus 13 plus 18 are going to be written in a common way as it is without any brackets. So got it? The next way is solving these problems now. So as it is we are going to write x here. But we are going to put a bracket and we are going to solve this. 14 minus 7 becomes 7 only. So 7. So like this we are going to write now. So y 10 minus 10. Now we are going to write y. And here 10 minus 10 becomes 0. So 0. And here xy bracket minus 12 plus 8 plus 4. First we are going to calculate minus 12 and plus 8. Minus 12 and plus 8. So minus 12 plus 8 becomes minus 4. Because here 12 minus 8 becomes 4. Plus minus into plus is there. Minus into plus becomes minus. So 12 minus 8 means 4. And here the greater number sign we are taking here. So the greater number is 12. Among the two, 8 and 12, the greater number is 12 only. So minus is there, the term, the 12 containing minus mathematical operation. So the minus we are going to write. Minus 4 and plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4. So we got an answer minus 4. In that the next is there, no, this plus law we are going to solve. Minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. Minus into plus becomes minus. 4 minus 4, 0, and it is not having any mathematical operations. So 0. Now we we are going to solve minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13 plus 18 becomes, so here minus into plus becomes minus, means subtraction. So 18 minus 13 becomes 5. So in that 5, the greater number among the two, 13 and 18, the greater number is 18. The greater number 18 having the sign plus. So plus 5. 18 minus 13, 5, it becomes the greater number sign plus 5. So it becomes plus 5. So this is the problem we have solved, and the answer we are getting is x into 7 becomes 7x. We should not write x7, it is the wrong way. So 7x is the correct way to write. So 7x and y into 0, 0, xy into 0, 0 and plus 5 as it is. So plus 5. So this is the answer for the question. 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13, 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy and 4xy. So the answer we got is 7x plus y. So it is a very easy method to solve. So it is a 1 minute we can do. First, in shortcut I am going to say in simplest way, that is, first we are going to divide it into the parts by commas, and next we are going to write it in a common way, and then we are going to write it in a like terms, and then common factors, and then solving, and then getting the answer. So it is simplest way to do. So we should keep it in mind that plus into plus becomes minus into minus becomes, and minus into plus becomes, and plus into minus what it becomes. So that is the main point in the algebraic expression. So that we should keep it in a mind. So this is the very easy method. So friends, this is the solving problem of the question 4. So thank you.